to move from just learning from mistakes, just learning from errors, just learning from what went wrong, to learn from what went right, to replicate it, to emphasize.
Nutrition coordinator in MOH. At this time, we made a program amazing. It was called Mentoring and Menteeing Program. I hope all countries can implement this. That you make a team to visit or to move across the facility, disseminating their knowledge and sharing knowledge and shared mental models. This was amazing.
Clear policies and procedures and guidelines whenever there is some issue like this, something like this.
So it is a hidden harm within our systems. It happens, but people did not report because they are scared. So, or, okay, no harm happened, so it's fine. Okay, it's...
Technical or clinical care was concerned. But was that sufficient? No, that was not sufficient. And there are evidences which shows and highlighted this important part. And that's why this was taken as a
or that we need to choose. But it is important to choose those indicators wisely. So the first thing to think about is, are we looking at a process in terms of our indicator, or are we looking at an outcome?
Do the job, because the device will remind the patient to take the medicine by the device alarm itself in the house. After that, after the device releases the dosage, the device will monitor if the patient took the medicine or not.
Mistake needs help too. And incidentally, in our institution, I'm sure the institution, we have a program to deal with what happens not only to the patient, not only to the family of the patient, but to the doctor, the nurse, and the director.
Managing a hospital is much like driving a car. When you are driving a car, you have like a dashboard in front of you. This dashboard gives you multiple types of information.
Participate in the Patient Safety Awareness Week. And I think this is a good initiative from Kama Group, from Oman and other Arab countries.
And Eventry was used in other industries, so no one has used them in healthcare. So it's better to look at
publications. This is a historical landmark. Obviously, I will not be going over it in detail. Some people think it started in 1950. However, most
from this restaurant, you do it fast without thinking a lot. When you go to a new restaurant, you always have to see what plate is the best for you. Do you like broccoli? Do you like meat? Do you like chicken? And then you realize, you decide.
Reminded me first of my brother, or one of my brothers, who went through a health problem decades ago. A doctor who examined.
2019 عمتي امرأة بسيطة مسنة طروية، احنا عائلتها الوحيدة، عندها ضغط سكر روماتويد كأي مريضة في مكانها.
He died of series of medical errors 15 years ago, more than 15 years ago. Until this moment, I got very emotional when I remember this story.
Of course, my father was from the type of person who always doesn't complain about anything. He is very active. He doesn't like to have rest. No. He